Hi again, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to give you a little quick closer look at the 2025 retreat project, which was called Our Story Seasons. So as you can see, it's a good substantial project, stands nicely on a bookshelf along with other retreat projects that I've made, so the overall size is always the same. So let me open this up for you. You've got a brilliant book cover to house your albums, and then if I take them out, let's pop the book cover to one side, you have got your 4 different seasons which look absolutely brilliant. Each season has different interactive parts, so let me do a quick share with you. So with the spring one, we've got the slider belly band, which offers you places for those flap down photographs, so you've got that going on. Okay, same top and bottom. Each of the albums has big pockets at the back as well, so lots of space to put more memorabilia, photo mats if you wish. Lots of magnets going on, but I like folios on books to house good size photographs. You know, there's no point in keep having to cut your photographs down. Spaces for little hidden journaling as well, because I think that is very important as well. So that gives you an idea of the spring one. So now let me bring in the summer one. Different pages again, little tuck spots behind here, plenty of magnets, good size photo opportunities to be had as well. So you can see from here alone, you've got a great area to share lots of photographs, and that's the same top and bottom, and again that big pocket at the back. Here we've got magnets again, big spaces for photographs, tucked behind spots for some journaling, and even more photographs and tucked behind spots. But again, you've got that big pocket at the back for you to put even more if you wish. Autumn is different again. Each album has different interactive pages. You know, we've got big photo mat opportunities going on here. This is the expanding pocket page, so you can see that you can put lots in here, plus yes, that big pocket at the back. Large flip flap page with tuck behind spots as well. Great for you to put decent size, slightly cut down 6x4 photographs. That's what this is all about. And then lastly we have winter, and again you've got different interaction going on here this time, with a little take on something a bit different as a waterfall. So plenty of space for photographs. You'll obviously put photographs on both sides, and then a good document page that can be opened out with lots of space for more photo mats, photographs, everything you could wish for. Big pockets again at the back. They've not been closed up, so all that is there for you, all housed in its special little booklet, or book cover as I like to call it. So we can pop them in. So we've got winter, autumn, summer and spring. Now the online workshop is step-by-step videos in real time. Each album has 3 construction videos. Each album has 3 decorative paper videos. The PDFs work with them. All the cutting and scoring has been worked out for you in inches. even down to cutting all your pattern papers. And then at the end of each album, I've also done a gallery showing you places where you could put your photographs as well. But you know, with this project, it's not just this. This project can be used in 64 different combinations. So basically, you can make 64 of these books. All of them would be totally different. Put some different pattern papers and different cardstock and they look different again. So the possibilities with this online workshop are endless. So you can work out which ones you want to do, how you want to do it. This is my 2025 retreat project, Our Story Seasons. So if you'd like to get the workshop, just click the link below and I'll see you there very soon. Bye for now.